Angel boy, you say that. Never gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance. Said that you never come back again. Been 3 days, now you're back again. But I'm not your man, no, I'm not your man. I can blow your mind.
Welcome guys, and we're back with the next one.
Yes, people.
But today, as you can see, we'll be getting physical. So we'll be showing you our at-home workout routine. Well, mine actually. So usually I focus 1 week intensely on abs and cardio with stretching at the end. The next week I do a less intense cardio and ab routine, or mostly ab routine with more stretching, because I'm working on flexibility. I know, staying fit and abs up, yes. But anyways, guys,
should I get rid of
the belly? Yeah, it has to go now.
me not get rid of this boom.
But anyways, guys, I'm going to show you a beginner friendly, low intensity, but at the same time high intensity, because there will be modifications for the low impact workout routine that you can do anywhere, at home, at the gym if you want to go with it,
in your office,
in your bathroom, anywhere, in your bathroom. Anyways, guys, let's get into it.
Yes.
Angel boy, you say that. Never gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance. Said that you never come back again. Been 3 days, now you're back again. But I'm not your man, no, I'm not your man. I can blow your mind like whoa. Why be faithful when you got hoes? Drop top and off we go. We gon' pop off, that's how we roll. Your perfect face, not to mention your perfect body elegance. The way you move while you're dancing. Not to mention your perfect body elegance. The way you move while you're dancing. You say that I'm your favorite toy, but I'll never be your angel boy, angel boy. You say that I'm your favorite toy. Angel boy, never gonna stand a chance. Angel boy, you say that I'm your favorite toy, but I'll never be your angel boy. Angel boy, you say that I'm your favorite toy, but I'll never be your angel boy, angel boy, angel boy, angel boy, angel boy, angel boy. Angel boy, you say that. Never gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance. Said that you never come back again. Been 3 days, now you're back again. But I'm not your man, no, I'm not your man. I can blow your mind like whoa. Why be faithful when you got hoes?
What is my side?
we're about to do in and out. So
I said, you say that I'm your favorite toy, but I'll never be your angel boy, angel boy.
Call the contractor. We need the contractor. Alright, come.
if you guys haven't noticed yet, this is already the first time trying my at-home working routine.
You're dead.
And he's dying, but I'm sliding. I'm very slippery at the moment. This is it. Good. Ready?
Slippery when wet. Alright. Ready?
Favorite toy, but I'll never be your angel boy, angel boy.
Crunches.
Crunch hour.
Crunch.
The only crunch one here crunch rolls. I'm on the way. What are crunches? Wow. Look call the doctor now, please. We need some electrolytes in our body.
Stand a chance, angel boy. You say that I'm your favorite toy, but I'll never be your angel boy, angel boy. You say that I'm your favorite toy, but I'll never be your angel boy, angel boy.
Okay guys, so after that, look at our dad dead. So after that guys, we warm down with some stretches. I usually do around like 10 minutes of stretching, and that's it for the day. So warm down with us right now. This old man style. And it's not just one day, I'm definitely do it with me every week. Ready? Ready? Set. Go. And reach to the ceiling. time.
King style.
And the second time you're partner with it, guys, if you haven't seen the makeup, go back and see it.
Go back and see it.
In the last note.
The exercise you have yourself and you say the word.
Stretch forward one more time. Everything that's orange is a modified version because you can't go deep in them stretch them. And that's it for today.
Praise the Lord. Thank you, Jesus.
Not too intense, not too strong.
Not too what? I'm a little dead.
Imagine if we did a high hit, full on intensity. So guys, that's the end of this at-home workout routine, focusing on abs and cardio, stretching at the ending. And this is also, I guess, my boyfriend tries my at-home workout routine as well. Because he does struggle a little bit, yes, he does struggle a little bit. But he did a good job.
People them something is that after when you exercise you got Olympics, gymnastics team and not even run, you go run a gymnastics
stretching them. Imagine if this was a week where we're focusing on stretching. Boy, you would get shagged.
I have the upper body strength, you know, but it's when you come to the core and then stretch madness there.
Imagine if I was at peak of my stretching and I fling out some arrow for you and fling out some needle. Position them that you know to stretch it.
Anyways, people, thank you for joining us for this week's video. We hope you will like it. Please do hit the like button and comment down below. Tell us if you want more videos like this. And if you enjoy it, give us the thumbs up, guys. We need it.
Yeah, and if you want a follow-up version to it, you can also comment that below. But
yes,
I don't know if you can manage it.
We can manage it.
But guys, if you want a stretch routine or a routine where we're actually focusing on stretching more than abs or cardio, let me know. You know you're there or you know
I will be your camera guy.
Yes. No whatever. But if you guys want that, comment it below or thumbs up the videos to make us know.
Yes. So if you're new to the channel and I like the madness what you see, look at energy where me and Shadika bring her. You know, so just hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a video. Yeah, become a part of our family.
The OS gang.
Yes.
The So-So gang. I don't know what I'm gonna call it.
We don't know what I call it. If you have a name if you have a name
for the family,
for the Orin and Shadika family, comment it down below. We would appreciate it because we can't find a name.
We about the So-So gang or the OS gang.
If you don't like it, comment it. Anyways, guys, see you in the next video.
Bye.
Watch out.